That's what that buoy's there for.
Oh boy.
All right, welcome back. Justin and I are down here in Yuma, Arizona for the 7th event of the JML series, down here in Martinez Lake. We pre-fished today. I pre-fished last Friday. I caught a couple decent ones. Nothing really too big. We pre-fished today. It was super tough. There's no wind, but I think we got a little something figured out. Hopefully it pays off. Met up with my buddy Jose and Rich. They're in the room right next to us. I got Justin over here in the bed. What do you think about tomorrow, man?
Well, it's Yuma. It's gonna be hot, and that's gonna suck. But we're gonna be flipping all day. That's fun. So let's do it.
It should be a fun event. I hear there's 3 other tournaments going on. I think there's one from San Diego and another one from California somewhere, but there's 30 boats signed up, and I think there'll probably be about 40-50 other boats plus the 2 other tournaments, so stay tuned.
Tournament? Yeah, but I thought today's. What's that? Anywhere.
How many boats we got today, Lyle?
We're at 43. You're 43, Robert.
All right, how many do you think you're gonna have?
We'll hit 50, maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah, cash check. Yes.
All right, boat. What are we, 43? 43. Boat 43. We already launched. It's super slow because there's a lot of no-wake areas, super shallow. But we're doing at, what are we, 345? 345. I think there's like 60 boats, a couple tournaments. Stay tuned.
fish, 5 alive, winning big. Who got the big?
I did.
Nice. There you go. Here's that one. Winning big. 5.07, 507 on the big. All right, total weight. 13.32, 13.32. Good job, guys.